Or maybe it's all a game. Well,
We'll see.
the company Nothing. Carl Pei's company. He teamed up with the guys over at Teenage Engineer. You know this story, Will.
Mm-hmm.
And we saw some early images released. Look, we had this transparent gadget, and it was like, oh, it looks like earbuds. What are they really going to do? Anyway, we have a official name now, so it's definitely earbuds. The name of the product, the first product they're going to put out is called Ear One. And we have this image, kind of a strange image. I don't know. It's cryptic. They don't look exactly like earbuds. But like, do they double function as speakers and those are adapters? Or is this just like super zoomed in so that I don't know. I don't know. Well, you got to wait and see. Yeah. That's the beauty of it. Anyway, he had been doing some press recently stating how he felt like things had gotten stagnant in the tech space. He felt how things had become predictable in the tech space. Even, I don't know if he took some shots at Apple. He said Apple cooled off on the innovation, something along those lines. He said, that's not what they're going to do. They're here to fix that.
Yeah.
Coming in June. He described the new product as still top secret, but said that they combine notes of transparency, iconic form, and refined functionality. He called them retro-futuristic and hinted at the earbuds having future features, maybe 2 or 3 settings. The marketplace begging for differentiation. Now, what can I say? Well, I'm familiar with Teenage Engineering.
Yes.
I've seen their stuff. I've used their stuff. I have the, what is it, the OP1? Is that the most famous synth that they do? Is it? Oh, do they have a new one? Oh, anniversary edition? What do we got going on here? Yeah, the OP1. I got the original OP1.
Yeah, their branding's really cool.
Oh, man, they do cool things.
Yeah.
And then they team up. And next thing, who knows? It's going to be cool. It's possible.
I think so.
So we're going to have to wait and see exactly what's going on. But I guess we got a little more bit of a confirmation. It's something for your ear. Well,
cool.